All right, so we just got our at-home COVID test, courtesy of y'all, the government. Um, yeah, it comes. Hey, look at that, made in China. Yeah, made in China. Made in China. It's the FlowFlex one test. So how do you do it? Easy to use. Um, you scan it to learn more about the test. One test cassette, one extraction buffer tube, one disposable nasal swab. So they want me to stick this up my nose. So let's open it up. Am I not supposed to open it? Oh. They want me to stick this up my nose. Y'all think I should? We gonna pass on that. Sheesh. All right. So I guess this is the sterile kit. All right, this is the extraction buffer thingy. Yeah, this is the extraction buffer. Guess you put a little thingy in there. Instructions. What we got? Take out the swabby thingy. Five times around the nose. And you break it off in there. So, oh, then you gotta extract. Okay, it's a lot of steps. Then you gotta wait 15 minutes. Oh, I'm, hold up. Unless there's another set of instructions. These are Spanish instructions. I can understand them, but oh, here goes some more instructions. All right, and they say, all right, here's a little Q-tip. Just that little Q-tip right there. Nah, I'm not sticking this up my nose. What I'll do is I'll get my own Q-tip. I'm not sure they got something on that. It's just a regular, because it should be a sterile dry Q-tip. So it shouldn't be nothing on it. Disposable nasal swab. Yeah. So I'm gonna get my own Q-tip. And alrighty, these Q-tips, fresh out the box. I even dug them from the inside. So these should be sterile. It should be, just like they say those are sterile. Like this one here, this little thingy. Pretty sure somebody put that in there with their hand. Maybe machine did it, but we're gonna get rid of that one. Disposable swab, sterile. So these are supposed to be sterile too. So you take this, all right, Take a cotton swab, then you swirl around your nose 5 times. All right. So you get that. You swirl around your nose 5 times. Take this, peel the top off. Then I'll put this part inside of here. Break it off. Squeeze it around, all that stuff. Let me read the English version of it. 30 seconds. You drop it inside of there. Boom, boom, boom. Up and down, squeeze it. Yeah. Easy peasy. All right, let's do it. So, this piece was in my mouth. My germs anyway. Let's say 5 times. 5 times. I'm going to go both nostrils. Oh, sheesh. Oh, man, I definitely won't let nobody stick that up my nose, because oh, no. I almost hurt myself. Sheesh. All right, so I'm taking off the little thingy. Dunk that right in there. Up and down for 30 seconds. Man, that don't feel good. 30 seconds. A false negative may occur if swirl is not in for 30 seconds. All right, so I need to squeeze the rest of my stuff out of there. Because that was about 30 seconds, right? That should have been about 30 seconds. You know what? Let's give it a little bit more. Make sure all that stuff get off of there. I want to make sure all that nasal drip, whatever they think up is in that nose, make sure all that get out. Alrighty. That should have been 30 seconds. Man, my nose still bothering me. Golly. Alright. Now let's drain it out. Let's get all that juice out of it. Get all that juice out of it. Alright. Alrighty. Yeah, that's about how much it was. Boom. Now, we're going to close the top, and it has a little eyedropper piece on this end. That's the eyedropper piece. I'm gonna set that right there. It's a little test packet. Testing strip. How would they do? They put a little thing in the background, try to make it get that white light on there. Ain't know what they do. Yeah, testing strip. The S is where you put your sample at. And it say you wait for 15 minutes. All right, and inside the package is a little moisture package. Do not eat. All right, here we go. I'm going to, and it say put 4 drops. Make sure I get it all. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops. And wait 15 minutes and see what happens. So, I'll be back with the results. Alrighty. So we can see 15 minutes. I'm negative. Got the C. I'm negative. Negative for the C. So yeah, it's easy as that. Check it in 15 minutes. No less than no more than 30 minutes. Cause they say after 30 minutes, it may give you a false reading, negative or positive. They say wait 15 minutes. So yeah, at home little test. I did not use their swab. I used my swab, my own little cotton swabs. Hey man, I got tests for sale. Huh? Y'all be safe out there, man. Y'all be safe.